Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Forms and signing in, then click blank or pick a registration template to save time. Name the form clearly, use event name and date, because responses link to that title. Next, add a description that states what registrants should expect and any required fees. Once done, set a response destination. Create a new spreadsheet so you can track entries. Make sure to adjust form settings for collecting emails and limiting one response if needed. Now build the core fields. Add short answer for name and email, use phone or drop-downs for ticket types, and checkboxes for options like meal preferences. Use the required toggle so you only get complete registrations, and add response validation where needed, for example, email format or numeric phone length. Organize by sections. One section for personal info, another for event options, and a final confirmation. This keeps users from being overwhelmed and helps you route responses later. Finish by tuning settings. Collect emails, choose whether respondents can edit answers, and add a custom confirmation message. Preview the form and submit at least 2 test entries to check branching and validation. Once satisfied, link the form to a spreadsheet and create filters or simple formulas for status tracking. Share the form using a shortened link, embed code on your site, or send directly via email. If things go wrong, revisit settings and test again, looking for required questions or section rules that block submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.